Percentages can be a tricky part of the SAT math. And in this video, I'm going to try to give you some tips when you're reading the problem, things to look for, and things to help you with. All right, so in this problem here, we have A is 540% more than B, and B is 0.02% of C. If A is K% of C, then what must K equal? All right, so what I want to look for here is this keyword, more than. So a lot of students are going to say A equals, and they're going to make this a decimal correctly, so 5.4. But what they're going to do is they're going to say A equals 5.4 times B. But the key word here is more than. So if you see more than, you have to add 1 to this. Okay? So when we set this up, it would be A equals 6.4 times B, and that's probably the most common mistake right there. And for the second part, B is, so B equals 0.02%, so we have to make this a decimal, so that would be 0.0002 of C, so times C. All right, so we have a system of equations. We actually have 3 unknowns at this point, so we need to do more work here. If A is K% of C, all right, so now A equals, now K%, I'm not going to make this a decimal. Let's just use K over 100 to represent percent times C. We want to figure out what K is. All right, so what I'm going to do in this case here is I'm going to take 0.02C and I'm going to sub it in for B. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to sub it in for B here. Okay, so when I sub that in, I'm going to get A equals 6.4 times 0.0002 C. So I would get A equals, and if I do that calculation, I should get 0.00128 C. And then what I can do is I can take this now. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to sub this in for A. All right. So when I sub this in for A, I'm going to get 0.00128 C equals K over 100 times C. And I can divide both sides by C to get rid of that, and I would get 0.00128 equals K divided by 100. If I take the cross products, multiply by 100, I'm going to get 0.128 is equal to K. All right, so that is a problem that students struggle with. And I think if you follow these keywords, so if you see more than, we want to add 1. If you see less than, we want to subtract 1 from the percentage. Okay? So I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more SAT help. Thanks for watching.